Hi everyone. I know in part 3 I mentioned, or at the end of part 2 I mentioned I was gonna, at the end of part 2 of graphing quadratic equations, I mentioned in part 3 I was gonna talk about vertical transformations, but as I was erasing this, I realized I didn't talk about changes to axis of symmetry. So let's call this a continuation of part 2, okay? I mentioned a little bit about axis of symmetry. If you watched part 2, I actually made my dashed line in red here, and my axis of symmetry for this guy is going to be x equals 0 for your axis of symmetry. But what I didn't do was discuss what happened to my axis of symmetry when I graphed my green and orange graphs here. So the green one, again, if you watch part 2, I used this little trick to figure out where how this thing is going to shift horizontally by taking this x minus 1 in parentheses and solving for x, and I got x equals 1. Well, that x equals 1, as it turns out, is also going to be my new axis of symmetry. Okay? So if you use that idea, actually, it makes it kind of nice, because this guy here, for the h of x, you could go x plus 1 and set that equal to 0 and solve for x. You get x equals a negative 1. And so that x equals negative 1 is going to be the axis of symmetry there for the orange graph, where half the graph opens to the right and half the graph opens to the left of this dotted line, and they're symmetric about this line. So that's also an axis of symmetry. Okay, as a short video, I just needed to make sure that I covered that option, okay, or that little avenue about axis of symmetries.